Hi, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Today we have a question from one of our YouTube subscribers. Let's see how we go about solving this one. To send your own questions, please consider subscribing our channel. The analysis and review looks something like this. We're going to divide by 16 on both sides, and we have normalized 1 on the side. And a quick review on how to graph hyperbolas. 3 things come in mind. 1, the curve always sits on the first term. Whichever one that comes first that's positive, that's the direction the curve will sit on. So in this case here, if it's y comes first and it sits on y, x comes first, it sits on x. For our case, it's going to sit on an x. Second thing is the center is shifted at x minus cx and y minus cy. This really is just coming from the distance formula. For our case, there's no shift, so our center is at 0, 0. Asymptote box, that decides the curve, how open it is. And this one is the tedious one, but not too bad. You're going to read the number underneath the y term and x term, make sure it's squared, and then the box shape, the slope of the asymptotes, is really just ly, length on y divided by length on x. So let's putting all 3 points together and graph the one we have here. Alright, so solution looks something like this. I'm going to divide the 16 on both sides, and then notice how I carefully express this in the square term because I need to read what the length on x is, that's 2, and on y is 4. Center is at 0, 0, there's no shift, and the first term is positive on x, so the curve is going to sit on x-axis. The way I would draw it is you start with the center, and you're going to move 2 units on the x direction and 4 units. Once you grab this corner of the box, you can just grab the box back out, and then corner to corner gives you the asymptotes. From here, the rest of the stuff, it's pretty easy. Here's your vertex, and the curve sits on the x-axis. Foci is easy to calculate. There's a quick short way to remember it. If this one is a minus sign over here, then foci here is positive, adding. And that's to not get confused with the ellipse. Ellipse here is adding, and then here is subtracting. Anyway, so that's a shortcut over here. Foci is at 2 square roots of 5 and minus 2 square roots of 5, and vertex is 2 and minus 2 over here. The asymptote is just the slope passing through 0, 0. Slope is rise over run, so we have 4 over 2, and then that's plus minus 2x. So there's 1 here and 1 here. All right, let's pull up a computer-generated graph here and go from there. All right, so here's the computer-generated graph. It looks identical. I'm hoping, yeah, identical to our the one we graphed, sketched on the side. Here are the equations that we dealt with on the bottom over here. Well, I hope this helps. Hi, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Please comment and share this video. Together we can make math easy again. Have a confident day.